Okay, we are going to mount the gear shift levers on a Grillo G131 tractor. This is the G131 with the non-EPA approved 14 horsepower diesel engine, which is why it has the full hood over the engine. You can't get this in North America. Here are the gear shift levers that come with the tractor. These are the gear shift levers for rear-PTO work, or soil working applications. First, we take the one orange handle, slight bend in the end of the lever, install in the outermost hole on the right side. Slide through, get the washer and pin. Easy. Next, orange handle, straight. This goes in the next position. Handle facing up. Washer and clip. Okay. Now, next one, moving to the other side of the tractor. Black handle, long straight lever. This is the differential lock. This one has a steel joint where the rest of them are plastic. This one slides through here, innermost on the left side. Okay, now the final shift lever, gray, slight bend in the bottom. This is the power takeoff engagement. We're engaging the implement. And of course there's only one hole to put it. Facing down. This handle in the center, the height adjustment handle for the handlebars. These handles are the brakes when equipped, right hand and left hand brake. Engine throttle speed, more throttle, less throttle. Handlebar offset control. Squeeze the handle, it locks into either side. And finally, the clutch, the most important lever and used the most. The clutch is squeezed to shift all gears and engage the PTO, and then released for tractor operation. The clutch can be locked in by allowing the trigger to lock the clutch in the squeezed mode, which holds down the safety handle in the back. When the safety handle is let up, the engine will stop. This is the control that tells the tractor that there is an operator present at the tractor. So this must be down at all times when the tractor is running. To hold in position for starting or for walking away from the tractor temporarily, squeeze the clutch, allow the trigger to latch it. To release the trigger, squeeze the trigger. When squeezing the clutch and shifting a gear, you can simply compress the trigger at the same time to keep the clutch handle from locking. If you relax your finger, it will lock. Okay, now we're going to take the Grillo G131 tractor and turn the handlebars around, and we're going to mount the gear levers for front PTO work, for mowing work on there. The G131 tractor uses two different sets of gear levers for rear PTO work and front PTO work. The ones for front PTO are more curved, as you can see. The ones for rear PTO are more straight. There's 4 levers for rear PTO work, 3 levers for front PTO work. It is not possible to hook up the differential lock control to the handlebars during front PTO operations. And on a tractor this size, it is very seldom used anyway. If necessary, the operator can reach down to the tractor and engage the differential lock if needed. So, during this change, we also need one tool, a 17mm wrench, which is used to change this shift lever right here. This is the gear shift selector, gear speed selector, held in place by one 17mm bolt. So now, we remove. This is the one that comes with the gear shift for front-PTO work. Side. Pay no attention to the phone, it always rings here. Okay, so set this aside. Now we'll turn the handlebars around. Either direction is okay as long as the cables are not stressed. Now here the cables are getting stressed, so we will not go that direction. Let's turn it the other direction. The cables are okay. Clear these. Make sure these come up so they don't hit the hood. Okay, good. Okay, mounting the shift levers now. Black one on what is now the left-hand side. This will go on the inside. Note, now that we have turned the handlebars around, this safety mechanism here has to be reversed. I can no longer hook up the handlebar or the shift lever to this joint. I have to turn this around. When you turn the handlebars around on the tractor, this safety has to be reversed. This is the safety that prevents engaging of the rototiller with the PTO when the handlebars, when the tractor is in the reverse mode. Now that there will be a mowing implement on the tractor, it is not necessary to have this safety active. So this gets disengaged, so this knob is no longer here. Now we can engage this. Pin and washer. Next, we have an orange handle, curve, on the outboard side. Joint. And washer. Finally, on the other side of the tractor, the PTO shift lever for the engagement of the implement. This can go in either hole, it really doesn't matter since there's only one shift lever on this side. Ready to mow. Now we just need to change the implement using the two large nuts on the back of the power takeoff.